we have our ball back, please?
No, you fucking can't. Don't
Why
come
not?
to this fucking door again. That's why.
You're spoiling for a fight here.
What?
Just leave our
Don't
customer.
fucking threaten
Right,
me.
no, go in.
What, you think you're
No,
Scottish? You think you're
stop.
bad? I'll fuck you up.
Hey, look! Oh, fucking hell.
Oh!
Don't threaten me!
Go on, go on.
Don't fucking threaten
Go on.
me!
So, again here, I hook, I punch, I come in, the headbutt's about to come in, so I want to protect myself, right? Just in case, and my arm's up anyway, just in case this punch comes in, or I can do this one. But the headbutt comes in, I come in here, I grab, I can sidestep charcoal, take you down. But as I take you down, as I do this technique, as I do this technique, I'm grabbing the elbow also, and I'm grabbing here. So as I throw, I'm throwing the head this way, and I'm pushing the elbow in this way. So it's this splitting method. So it's there. Yeah? So as your momentum comes in, I take that momentum, throw you. Yeah? Let's say the guy doesn't telegraph it that well, and you know, I'll do it on you. So I've punched. Let's say, you know, he wants the knee or whatever, but he's gonna grab the head first to headbutt. Now this is your indication I'm gonna headbutt. So as I do this, you throw me out the way. Yep, so it's there. Headbutt comes in. Headbutt comes in. I'm hitting here. I can hit the chin, or I can slice straight through. Yeah. Or if I see it and I'm too close, I move out the way. Then I come here. Yeah. If not, straight there. Straight there. Yeah. You just discount your whole technique. Yeah. You just count it. Just come straight up. Yeah? You step back. And
Fantastic. Yeah.